Hi there, I'm Jeff Hotchkiss, Assistant Director of Special Services. Welcome to your new Farmington Hills Community Center, the Hawk. Come on in for a tour. This is the main lobby area. You walk in through the main door here, off of the main parking lot. You have a full feature stairwell that goes up to the second floor with full seating next to it. The seating faces a large video wall. In this area you have full concession stand, and then there's an outdoor patio on that side. Well, this is the Aquatic Center. You have 2 lap lanes, zero depth entry. You have a kiddie splash area with a lazy river. There where the foundation is at, you have a large water slide that you can access from the second floor party room. In the deep well, there's a rope swing and a climbing wall. You have men's, women's locker rooms, family changing rooms. This is the newly renovated theater space. There's 768 seats. We'll have all new audio visual, lighting, and curtains. This is the new fitness center. There's 7,500 square feet between the 2 sides. This is the group fitness room. Over here is strength training side of the fitness center. Here we're walking into the makerspace. On this level, it will be more of a woodshop-based makerspace. The second level makerspace will have more of the textiles and 3D printing type machines. Here there'll be a full 55-inch monitor that will incorporate all of the legacy from Harrison High School. Stay tuned for more Hawk construction updates.